This is MikeBot. I'm doing an unboxing today on the Viofo A229 Pro 3-channel 4K HDR dashcam. At the end of this unboxing, I'm also going to set this dashcam up in my car, so stay tuned for that portion coming up shortly after this unboxing. So I was searching for a dashcam that covers the front of the car as well as the rear and the inside, and after doing some extensive research I came across this Viofo A229, which is the 2024 model for the dashcam of this company. The front camera does 4K, rear camera does 2K, and the inside camera does 1080p. So some really cool features built into this camera. One of the most important things for me was the camera sensor. So this one actually has Sony's Starvis 2 MX678 and IMX675 sensors, which gives you amazing video quality. That's how they're able to get the HDR, the 4K, the 2K. Has a very wide dynamic expansion, a large range for detail, basically, in short. The infrared sensors are also upgraded in the 2024 model. And on top of that, you also get the voice control, so you get a total of 12 voice commands. The parking modes offers 24/7 protection, but with the parking modes, you have to have a hardwire kit or it won't run at all. There are 3 different types of parking modes that you can enable. I don't do them in this video, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So I mentioned the GPS has 4 different satellites that it uses. So it uses GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS. So it gives you very accurate GPS with speed sensor and everything. It also has 5 GHz Wi-Fi built in, which is really nice. So like I said, fully loaded camera, looks great on paper, looks great in the box. Everything checks out. The price is ridiculously expensive at $500 Canadian. They do offer a $50 coupon that makes it $450 Canadian, but then you add in taxes, you're at roughly $510 Canadian. It's a lot of money for this camera. The camera supports up to 512 gigabyte micro SD card. The SD card is not included, so I'm using a 256 gigabyte micro SD card that I had extra laying around. It does come with quite a few accessories. It comes with the cables to connect all the cameras. The cables are really long, more than long enough in most cases. It comes with the screen protectors there that I just had in my hand 2 minutes ago. And it also comes with a crowbar to remove the panel in your car to reach the fuses for the hardwire kit. It comes with extra 3M tape. It comes with that lens cover I'm showing right there. And the manuals, of course. There's also an app that can control the dashcam directly. So with the app, you turn Wi-Fi on the camera, you connect your phone to the camera's Wi-Fi, and then you have full access, full controls of the camera through your phone. Nice little added touch. So in short, this is a fairly loaded camera. It comes with everything you need, all the accessories. The only thing missing is the hardwire kit, Bluetooth, and a few other miscellaneous things. It also does come with the power adapter that goes in your 12-volt port in the car, and it has 2 USBs on it. And that's basically it for the unboxing. It's a very high level I'm doing here. This is pre-recorded. I'm just doing the voiceover right now as well. Wiring up the camera in my car wasn't too bad. I basically ran USB cables under the seats, through the back seat to get the rear camera on. For the front camera, it just mounts on with a clip, and then the inside camera is a small USB cable to the side, which I just clipped very easily. Very simple. Wire it the way you like. I just included the footage to show everyone how I did it. It is cold outside. It's Canadian winters. That's why I'm wearing a jacket, by the way. The 3M stickers stick onto the glass very nicely, very easily. Zero issues with that. So once you've wired up the camera, next you need to test it. So power it on, make sure the micro SD card is in first, power your car on, power the camera on, go through the initial settings, and then wait for the camera to work. It'll say 3-channel recording on once it's working. Going through the settings is a tedious thing. It's something you need to do yourself. I can't really show you how to do it. It's something you're going to need to just try it yourself and do it, kind of thing. You need to set your own language, your own time zone, all that stuff. I'm just showing it as an example in my videos. So now, the good, the bad. The camera does seem like a decent kit. It's really overpriced in my opinion. Way overpriced, like it should be 200 bucks for this thing. And the quality does feel kind of cheap with the camera. USB cables also feel cheap. I ended up returning this camera. It only picked up one camera, one channel, and no matter what I did, I couldn't get the inside and the rear camera to work whatsoever. Massive pain in the ass, it's a shame. But I'm kind of happy it didn't work. I tinkered with it for hours. No matter what I did, could not get it to work. Very annoying for a $500 camera. But if you want something that's fully equipped and you can't find anything that hits all the checks on your boxes, this camera will do that on paper for sure. But I've shown everyone basically what it looks like unboxed, how to set it up, how nice the package looks, what all the features are. Sounds really good on paper, looks really good in general. Overpriced, but doesn't actually function when you want it to function. Now, it could just be a one-off for me. I didn't get lucky. Maybe the camera you get, you'll be lucky with it and it'll just work like it's supposed to. But in my case, it didn't, unfortunately, and therefore it has been returned. So after this video, support ended up reaching out to me directly. They asked me to work with them, but I told them it was too late to return the camera. And then they told me they believe I made an error during installation and I may have reversed the cables. I said, well, I don't have a camera to test anymore, so they sent me one to prove to me that I made a mistake. Sure enough, I received it, rewired everything, tested, followed the exact instructions they gave me, and it worked. Support worked with me every second of the way. The fact that support reached out to me, sent me a camera, and then they let me keep it on top of that, and they were so patient with me after posting the initial video saying the camera sucked, is incredible. Like, this is the best support I have ever received in my life, and support will work with you every step of the way. So because of that, this camera has redeemed itself fully, not because they gave it to me, but because support was incredible, patient, and nice to me, which is very, very rare today. So with that said, I've had the camera for a while now, recording 3 channels. It is incredible. The quality is nice. The sound is nice. No complaints at all so far. I've included 2 little demo videos of the camera's recording. So we have a daytime of front, back, the inside, and then we have a semi-nighttime shot of the front, back, and inside. I'm going to tell you from now, I purposely left the goofiness that I did in the second clip, which is in the evening, just to make everyone laugh. And yes, I am mooing in the beginning of the clip, so enjoy that. We'll call that the entertainment aspect of this video. Just to explain myself, I was trying to find the secret code that activates the camera's photo taking capabilities. I tried a bunch of different words, and I don't know why I decided to moo for the last one. Moo! It's not the secret code. Boy! Diana, did you press anything?
No.
And why did it just randomly take a picture and protect the video?
I think it said hello.
Oh, cool. There's night vision. Maybe it's because I waved at it. Take a photo.
It turned off.
No, it's still on. See, it's night vision inside here, in the back. So this is good footage I can show to people. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching today. MikeBot out.
Thank you for watching MikeBot Entertainment.